What's going on, guys? My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning concrete and how to avoid lines. Alright guys, before we get started, make sure you come over, click subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, even if it's just to say what's up. It helps the channel out so much, guys. Let's talk about it. Guys, y'all gotta bear with me. Apparently we've had some corona this week. This is like day 4 of just the crud, man. And feeling pretty good, but we're out here working. I want to show you guys something, man. This is some older concrete that we're doing, alright? Like old concrete. Alright, I want to show you guys something. Up here, guys, you can see that there's no striping. What looks like striping going this way is actually where they brush the concrete. There's no striping, guys. You can see where they just bull floated all this. Okay, when I say striping, guys, you can literally see where the surface cleaner has gone and where it hasn't gone. Like this, because I just did a experimental pass. This is how we usually clean it. We usually just go up, back, back, and then we rinse it off and we post treat it, right? See any lines? I did these two on purpose right here. These ones going like this, the two thick ones. What you're looking at is where the actual jet is. Let me turn my hand right. You're looking at where the two jets are right here, see it? But I have found a little easier way to do it where it looks like this. This up here was solid black, guys. This has been there for like 30 years, so it's gonna take a pretty good post treatment. What we're doing, this really works well, works the best with a surface cleaner that has wheels on it. So, let me show you. All right, so on normal times, we're just doing like this. Get to the end, we'll overlap it, and then we'll come back, right? That's what makes it look like this, especially if it's really old concrete or the dirtiness has been there forever, like this has. This has been here for a long time. So you can see right where the jets went. So over here, you can't see where the jets went. You can, you cannot. The reason why, and you can play with it and figure out which way you want to do it. You've heard people say to do figure eights, which is kind of like this. Going back and forth like that, and that works, and you just work yourself all the way down doing your figure eights. Sometimes you'll have to kind of do a little whatever just to touch up a little spot that you miss here and there. But what I did over here that makes it look so good is I did little bitty circles, guys. I did like this. And I just took my time so that when I got done with this area right here, I didn't have to come back. I was done. So I wanted to show you guys the difference between that and traditional just up and down surface cleaning. All right, so I know some of you guys are gonna be like, well, you should have went against the grain on the driveway. What that means is instead of cleaning like this, that's the way they pull into the driveway, you'll see the lines a little better. We usually go like this so they're not as apparent. But you can see the difference, guys. And to show you that this works much better, I just went back over this area that was striped up doing the little bitty circles, and it looks better. So, yeah. So guys, I want you guys to check it out and try it. Let me know how it works for you. That's the most beautiful thing about working for yourself is you really need to get out here and figure out what works for you. Somebody can tell you that you need to do it this way, and it may not work for you. You know, somebody may tell you you need this piece of equipment, and it may not be compatible with what you're trying to do. You know, you got to get out here, guys. You got to test. You got to do some things and figure out what you like, what works for you. because what works for me may not be the best for Trent, and what works for Trent may not be the best for me. Same thing with your businesses and your areas and wherever you live, guys. And just to show you guys what it looks like when we're done. No lines. Hadn't even post-treated this yet. That's why it's dry. Yeah, this darker, for some of you new guys, this darker gray area that you see right here, it's just how the concrete cured. It's the minerals in the concrete. Yeah. Anyway, so you see what it looks like with that technique. All right, guys, so don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys clean your concrete, what works for you. Yes, I know you're supposed to pre-treat and post-treat and all that, but I did not pre-treat this one because there's a pond right there and I didn't want my runoff to go down into it. So I did not pre-treat, but I will post-treat because I can control the post-treatment because it's not going to be running off. When you pre-treat it in these areas and then you start surface cleaning, it all lifts up and runs off. So you just got to be cautious of those things. Anyway, got to get back to work. Enough talking. Hope this helps somebody. God bless.